Traditional ML models versus LLM for securing financial environment. Traditional ML models are like the trusty magnifying glass. They have been around for a while and are excellent at zooming in on specific problems. You can rely on them to spot issues in areas like credit card transactions or insurance claims. They work best when the data is neatly organized. However, as finance evolved with new ways of doing things online, these models sometimes struggled to keep up. On the other hand, large language models, LLMs, are the all-seeing radar. They are like the high-tech radar system, always scanning for new problems. LLMs are not limited to numbers and tables. They understand things like feedback and customer chats. What makes them powerful is their ability to learn and adapt over time, constantly improving. LLMs excel at addressing various financial challenges. For loans, they can spot subtle issues like income exaggeration or debt downplaying. In insurance, they catch anomalies or patterns suggesting deception. When it comes to online shopping, they analyze buying habits and feedback language to detect fraud. In banking, they watch for unusual money transfers, and in investments, they identify potential misinformation that affects stock prices. With credit cards, they monitor transactions for unusual activity. Combining both traditional models and LLMs creates a safer financial environment. Traditional models provide a strong foundation with their proven methods, while LLMs bring a fresh perspective, ready to tackle the complexities of today's financial world. This combination is like having both an experienced detective and a modern investigator on the case, ensuring our financial world stays secure. Stay tuned for more about the role of LLMs in finance in our upcoming posts.